Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we'll explain the process of setting up a footer in your Shopify store. A well-designed footer is an important part of your online store because it helps with navigation, provides essential links, and improves the user experience. Let's walk through the steps so you can easily add a footer to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your Shopify admin panel. From there, go to the Online Store section on the left-hand side and select Themes. Under the Themes section, you will see your current theme displayed. Click the Customize button to enter the theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, look for the Footers section on the left side. In most themes, you'll find footer settings under the Sections tab. If you don't see a footer section, it may be located in the theme settings or customize options within the theme settings. Now, in the footer section, you'll have several customization options. You can add multiple elements to the footer, such as contact information, social media links, payment options, or even a newsletter sign-up form, depending on your theme. You may also be able to add custom text or even change the layout of the footer. If you want to add or remove links, click on the Add Content button and select what you want to add. Some themes allow you to add footer menus. If you want to add a menu, you will need to create it in the navigation section of your Shopify admin, where you can specify the links you want to appear in the footer. Next, you can adjust the footer's design to fit your store's branding. Many themes allow you to change the background color, text color, and font style for the footer. Look for the Theme Settings tab and explore options for colors and typography, and customize it to match your store's aesthetic. Once you've finished customizing the footer to your liking, be sure to click the Save button at the top right corner to apply the changes to your live store. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.